Topic modeling is an unsupervised text mining technique for uncovering topics in text. It's commonly used in customer service, digital humanities, biology, and medicine. And while there are many topic modeling techniques out there, today we'll focus on Latent Dirichlet Allocation, or LDA for short. Now, in simplified terms, LDA assumes topics are composed of words that frequently appear together. So let's see how this works in practice. Open up Orange and use the dataset widget to load the Parliament 1000 dataset. It contains a sample of 1,000 parliamentary debates from the British Parliament. So we'll pass it to the corpus widget to make sure everything is in its right place. Now we're only interested in the text from the content feature, so that's the only text feature that we're going to use. Next, let's use the corpus viewer to look at the data. Now, each entry contains some meta information, such as the title with the date, the party name, and the status. But we are really only interested in the text data stored in the content feature. Next, we're going to pre-process this data using the preprocess text widget. Now, let's keep the defaults and just drag and drop a normalization step between tokenization and filtering. Now, remember here that the order of the preprocessing is essential. And let's use the lemmagen lemmatizer this time. Now, after preprocessing, we're still left with 9,438 unique tokens, as you can see in the preview on the left. So let's narrow this down a little bit and try to further filter out all of the words that appear in less than 10 documents. The absolute document filter option will take care of all of this for us. Now, after this additional filtering, we're left with a manageable 1,700 types. So next, we need to represent each document numerically. Now, we'll use a representation called bag of words, where for each document, we count the number of appearances of each word or token. We'll also transform these counts with a technique called TF-IDF to increase the importance of rare words and decrease the importance of some of the more common words with regards to the entire documents. You can watch our bag of words video to learn more about this technique. But remember that topic modeling with LDA requires a bag of words and will not work on document embeddings. Okay, topic modeling by Latent Dirichlet Allocation is a language-independent method that requires a preset number of topics. The method will then find sets of tokens that appear frequently together, with the number of sets corresponding to the selected number of topics. So let's add a topic modeling widget to our workflow. Now, LDA is the default method. So say we want to find 5 different topics. Simply adjust the settings, then the tokens that characterize each topic will be displayed in the table. Great. A quick glance, the first topic seems to be more procedural. The second concerns pension schemes, and the third one seems legislative. Now, we can visualize these topic modeling results in a widget called LDAvis. This widget will get its input from the topic modeling widget, but notice that the connection between them is red. This means that we need to change some of the settings. So let's double click on the connection to edit it. And instead of sending out corpus, the topic modeling should transmit all topics to the LDA widget. Now, LDAvis displays the tokens that are characteristic of a given topic. The tokens are weighted by their relevance. Now, relevance ranks tokens by combining their importance to a topic and their overall frequency in the corpus. So when the relevance is set to 1.0, the tokens are ranked by their frequency within the topic. This means noble, support, and million are on the top. This ranking is the same as shown in the topic modeling widget. However, setting the relevance to 0.5, for example, would balance the token's importance to the topic and its overall frequency. So in this way, the ranking would also expose more topic-specific words. The first topic is now no longer procedural. Instead, it looks like it covers various subtopics like victim abuse and fiscal policy. Topic 2 is decidedly on the pension scheme with something of a phishing subtopic. And topic 3 is legislative with a hint of Brexit. In this video, we elicited 5 topics with the topic modeling widget and inspected them with LDAvis. We also learned what relevance was and how it affects topic description. Now, in the next video, we'll learn how to create 2 different topic maps, one for observing topic distribution and one for observing topic importance.